हेलो एवरीबॉडी। आज हम एक न्यू चैप्टर स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं, सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स एंड प्लास्टिक्स। फाइबर्स के बारे में हम पहले भी पढ़ चुके हैं कि फाइबर्स से थ्रेड हम बनाते हैं, थ्रेड से क्लॉथ बनता है, क्लॉथ से डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ ड्रेसेस बनते हैं। ये हमने लास्ट ईयर पढ़ लिया है। Fibers are of two types, natural fibers and synthetic fibers. Natural fibers we get from either animals or plants. Animal fibers are wool and silk. Wool we get from sheep, goat, camel, rabbit, yak, etc. And silk we get from cocoon of silkworm. From plants, we get cotton, jute, flax and coir. Now, what about synthetic fibers? Synthetic fibers are man-made fibers. It means they are made by human beings. They are not natural fibers. We cannot get them from wool or silk. Rayon, nylon, polyester and acrylic are synthetic fibers. Now question arises, what are synthetic fibers? To understand this, we will take two examples. This is a necklace made up of beads. The beads, you can say these are small units. These are small units, and a necklace is made from, when they join together, a necklace is made, we can say like that. Here you can see pins, they are joined together to form a chain. These pins are the small units and we get a big chain. Okay, so now you can understand, a synthetic fiber is a chain of small units joined together. But what are they units? What are these units? These are not beads, these are not pins. Each small unit is actually a chemical substance. ये जो units हैं ये chemical substance हैं, and when they are attached together, a synthetic fiber is made. Many such small units combine to form a large single unit called polymer. It means synthetic fibers are made up of polymer. Polymer is a Greek word. Poly plus mer. Poly means many and mer means part or units. It means many units make a polymer. So polymer is made of many repeating units. Repeating units means same types of units are repeated. I will give you an example. Cotton is a natural polymer and it is made up of cellulose. Cellulose is a polymer made up of large number of glucose units. Glucose, these are small units of glucose and they join together to form cellulose polymer. The polymer is cellulose. Now, types of synthetic fibers: rayon, nylon and polyester and acrylic. First, rayon. लास्ट क्लासेस में हमने पढ़ा था कि चाइना में सबसे पहले सिल्क बना था। उसके बाद पूरा वर्ल्ड सोचता था सिल्क कैसे बना, लेकिन किसी को नहीं पता था, सब लोग इसको बनाने में लगे हुए थे। तो टुवार्ड्स द एंड ऑफ द 19th century, scientists were successful in obtaining a fiber having properties similar to that of silk. It was not silk, but properties were similar to that of silk. This was called rayon or artificial silk, and it was obtained by chemical treatment of wood pulp, and wood pulp is a natural source. So for making rayon, a natural source was also used. Yet it is a man-made fiber because man has made it by using some chemicals. Chemical treatment wood pulp का होके this fiber was made. What are its qualities? When we compare with silk, it is cheaper than silk, but can be woven like silk fiber. सिल्क फाइबर की तरह इसको बुन सकते हैं. कैन बी डाइड इन वेराइटी ऑफ कलर्स, कलरफुल वेराइटीज़ में हम इसको डाई कर सकते हैं. रेयॉन इज़ मिक्सड विद कॉटन, अगर रेयॉन को कॉटन के साथ मिक्स किया जाए तो बेडशीट्स आर मेड. एंड व्हेन रेयॉन इज़ मिक्सड विद वूल, कारपेट्स आर मेड. तो रेयॉन इज़ द सब्सटीट्यूट ऑफ सिल्क. इट इज़ आर्टिफिशियल सिल्क. रेयॉन, it is made up of wood pulp with some chemical substances. Chemical treatment of wood pulp, we get rayon. Next is nylon. It is also a man-made fiber. It was made in 1931, but no natural source is used here. Without using any natural raw material, it was prepared from coal, वाटर एंड एयर. कोल, वाटर एंड एयर, इनसे बना नायलॉन. इट वॉज द फर्स्ट फुल्ली सिंथेटिक फाइबर बिकॉज नो नेचुरल सोर्स इज यूज्ड हेयर. नायलॉन की ये क्वालिटीज़ हैं. इट इज़ स्ट्रॉन्ग, लस्ट्रस, चमकीला, इलास्टिक, वेरी लाइट, ईजी टू वॉश, ईजी टू मेंटेन. It becomes very popular for making cloth. ये काफ़ी पॉपुलर हुआ क्लोथ बनाने के लिए. आर्टिकल्स मेड फ्रॉम नायलॉन, सॉक्स हैं, रोप्स हैं, टेंट्स हैं, टूथ ब्रशेज़ हैं, कार सीट्स, बेल्ट्स हैं, कर्टन्स हैं, एंड मैनी अदर थिंग्स आल्सो. नायलॉन फाइबर आर वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. पैराशूट्स एंड रोप्स फॉर रॉक क्लाइंबिंग आर मेड from these fibers. Nylon thread is stronger than a steel wire. You can think कितना strong है ये, because it is stronger than a steel wire. Next comes polyester. Polyester is synthetic fiber from which fabric is made. This fabric does not get wrinkled, remains crisp, easy to wash, suitable for dresses, can be drawn into very fine fiber, and terraline is made from these fine fibers. Terraline is popular polyester for dresses. Terraline is used for making dresses. Now PET, PET is very familiar form of polyester. We use this PET in bottles, films, wires, utensils and other useful products. Polyester is also made up of two words, poly and ester. Poly means many and ester, made up of repeating units of ester. Ester is a chemical. Ester, which is a chemical. Ester is a chemical. So when many small units of ester are joined together, they form polyester polymer. Polyester is made from small units of ester, and ester is a chemical. In the market, different fabrics like polycot, polywool and terracotta are there. These are mixtures of polyester with another fiber. Polycot, as the name shows, polyester plus cotton. Polywool, polyester plus wool. terrycot, terraline plus cotton. So these are the fabrics and which are mixture of two types of fibers. Next, acrylic. This is another synthetic fiber. These fibers resemble wool. It can be a substitute of wool. Natural wool is quite expensive, so acrylic is used for making sweaters, shawls or blankets. We can say it is a substitute for wool, but it is relatively cheap. It can be found in variety of colors. We can dye it in variety of colors. It is more durable, more affordable, it is cheap and easy to wash. Now burning. Burning of fibers. If natural fibers are burned, they turn into ash. But behavior of synthetic fiber is different from natural fibers. Synthetic fibers melt on heating. This is actually a disadvantage of synthetic fibers. If synthetic clothes catch fire, it can be disastrous. The fabric melts and sticks to the body. We should not wear these clothes in kitchen or in the laboratory. Correct? तो characters of synthetic fibers क्या हुए? Dry up quickly, they are durable, less expensive यानी less costly, strong मजबूत, light, colorful, they can be dyed into different colors, easy to wash, easy to maintain and readily available. These are characteristics of synthetic fibers. Today only this much. Plastics next time. Thank you very much.